Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. In this AutoCAD 2022 3D modeling drawing tutorial, we will learn how we can create this 3D mechanical drawing using AutoCAD 2022 version. This is the 32nd part of the AutoCAD for Mechanical Engineering series. So you'll get this image link in the description section. You can download it for your reference. I am into 3D modeling workspace and UCS is set to world. So to start, I'll use box command. So type BOX and press enter. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Type L and press enter to specify length. I'll turn the ortho on by pressing F8. Take the cursor towards x-axis. Type 100 and press enter. 60 towards y-axis. Take it upwards and type 94 and press enter to create this box. This radius is 30, so I'll use cylinder command. So type CYL and press enter. Click at this midpoint snap. Click at this snap to specify radius and then click at this snap to give it a height. Repeat cylinder command by right clicking. Click at this center snap. Specify radius as 22. Press enter. Specify height as 10. And press enter to create the cylinder. Repeat cylinder command again. Click at this center snap. Specify radius as 10. Press enter. Then click downwards, crossing this part to create another cylinder. Now I'll subtract this one from the other three. So type SUB and press enter. Select this, this and this. Press enter. And then select this one and press enter to create the hole. Now I'll create this cutout. So first set the UCS to front, then type REC and press enter. Take 25 units extension upwards from the midpoint snap as shown. Type D and press enter for dimensioning the rectangle. Specify length as 30, press enter. Specify width as 50, press enter. And then just left click in this side to place the rectangle. Now click on press pull tool or type PRES and press enter. Click inside this rectangle and click backwards to press pull cut this part. Similarly press pull cut the other parts as shown. Always right click to exit. Erase this rectangle. Now I'll create this cut. So type REC and press enter. I have turned the dynamic UCS on by pressing F6. Now take an extension of 20 units from the midpoint snap as shown. While highlighting this face, type D and press enter. Specify length as 50, press enter. Specify width as 40, press enter again. And then left click in this side to place the rectangle as shown. Now give press pull command, click inside the rectangle and press pull cut it downwards by 72 units as shown. Erase the rectangle. Now type L and press enter. Click at this snap while highlighting this face and add this snap to draw the line. Now give press pull command, click inside this boundary and press pull cut it backwards as shown. Same way, do it on the other side as well. So this is done. I hope you all have enjoyed this video and everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.